This is another quadratic expression. We are still on factorization method. You look at it, it seems as if the question is turned upside down. So what do? You don't need to do anything. You go straight and multiply the coefficients of x squared here and this. Okay? So what you do, you come out as minus 6. Okay? So you find the factor of 6, that when you multiply, you are going to have minus 6. And when you add them, the two factors, you are going to have plus 5. And so what are the factors? You have 2, 3, you have 3, 1. And this one go, if you multiply 2 and 3, you have minus, because this one has plus. Always add the sign of what you see in the middle to the bigger factor. Okay? So what you have here is what? This time this, you are going to have minus 6, but when you plus them, you are going to have plus 1. I mean, it's not correct. So do you know that 6 itself is a factor of 6 and 1? That is another thing you need to consider. Okay, so it's a factor of itself. So in this case, if you put plus here and you put minus, you are going to have, when you multiply it, you have minus 6, and you add, you are going to have plus 5. Okay, so that is it. So let's substitute that factor into the middle. You now have 3 plus 6x minus x minus 2x squared equals 0. Okay, so that is what we have. So by doing this, what is common here? We have 3 into here, we have 1 plus 2x. So what is common here? We have minus x. So minus x divided by x, we have 1. Minus, we have plus. 2x squared divided by this, we have 2x. And it's equals to 0. Okay, so you have your 3 minus x into 1 plus 2x as the equation goes. So you just need to say 3 minus x is equals to 0, or 1 plus 2x equals 0. So follow it step by step. It's not difficult. Okay, so by so doing, this one will be 3 is equals to x, which is the same thing as x is equals to 3. Or you have your 2x is equals to minus 1 if this crosses to the other side. And you have your x to be minus 1 over 2. So these are the two values of the x. You know, in quadratic equation, the answer always has two values. And so don't be scared. This is how it will solve by factorization method. If you have any question, put in the comment section and all of us will attend to it. Thank you and see you next.